Amid the ongoing letter versus letter war, another minister has slammed, and that is Union Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal has also slammed Mamata Banerjee over the RG car case. He stated that the incident of West Bengal is shameful. He added that everyone has expressed sorrow and criticized it. He added, I don't know how CM Mamata Banerjee is taking it, but she's countering it. He said she's asking why a fast-track court is not formed. It is already there, but you have not contributed to it. He added that she did it only in 4 or 5 districts. He added that you are not doing anything and throwing the ball in the center's course. This is more unfortunate. Let's in fact listen in to what Arjun Meghwal has said.
ये जो बंगाल में घटा है वो शर्मसार करने वाली घटना है और सभी ने दुख भी प्रकट किया है, निंदा भी की है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ की जो मुख्यमंत्री जी हैं ममता जी, वो उसको किस रूप में ले रही पता नहीं, काउंटर और कर रही है। कह रहे हैं कि फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट क्यों नहीं बनाते। अरे भाई ऑलरेडी योजना है फास्ट ट्रैक स्पेशल कोर्ट की, आपने उसमें योगदान ही नहीं दिया। आपने खाली 4-5 जिलों में ही इस काम को लिया हाथ में, जबकि बाकी राज्यों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। तो आप खुद इसमें काम ही नहीं कर रहे हो और उसको कवर अप करने के लिए गेंद जो है वो केंद्र सरकार के पाले में डाल रहे हो, ये और दुखद है।
We have my colleague Nibir Deka with us. Nibir, what can you tell us now amid the ongoing letter versus letter war? It's Centre versus Mamata Banerjee. Arjun Ram Meghwal has also slammed Mamata Banerjee. Tell our viewers more about the developments that are coming in.
Union Minister Arjun Meghwal has questioned Mamata Banerjee regarding her actions in terms of cooperating with the process that is going on to crack the RG Kaur case, and he has said that she has not cooperated and instead of cooperating she is countering and criticizing the government, and he has also called the incident of the case of rape in West Bengal as shameful, and has said that Mamata Banerjee, who is asking about a fast-track court, but instead of asking those things, she has not contributed anything to the already ongoing investigation that is going on in West Bengal regarding the case. And further, he has questioned her intentions in facilitating the due process that is being followed as far as the RG Kaur case is concerned. So politics has evolved around this matter ever since the news broke out of rape in the medical college premises, and herein again we have seen a union minister commenting and criticizing the Banerjee government for its actions ever since the matter broke out.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.